Welcome to Healthy Wealthy Academy. Learn how to be healthy, wealthy, and get happiness with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. Protect yourself from adware and spyware. Chapter 3. How to remove spyware. There are several ways to remove spyware from your computer. If you have knowledge of viruses, then you can easily understand most of these methods, and how they are potentially beneficial to you. Spyware can be detected in many of the same ways as a virus can. A scan of your computer can relieve many types of spyware and adware, and help you to safely remove them from your computer. The worst-case scenario for the computer user that has a large amount of spyware and adware on their computer, is to have their computer system reinstalled. In this case, it will take professional help, in many cases, to back up the data on the computer and then to fully reinstall the operating system for the unit. But that's not the normal case, and it's not the first step for you to take, either. There are several other things that you should do first. There is much help out there, but it takes a bit more help and knowledge to get you to the point of knowing what program is a potential benefit, and which is likely not to be. It's gotten bad. It's important to realize that spyware is no longer something that happens to the other guy. You have to consider this a strong risk as you would a virus. You don't have to make a mistake in downloading it to your computer to be a victim to it. It can just happen. In that, there are countless products on the market that claim to be able to provide you with the very best resource for removing spyware and adware from your computer. Some are very much capable, while others can even be spyware programs lurking themselves. It will cost you. If you have no spyware protection on your computer right now, you'll need to invest in it. That could be a decent amount of money to start with. But if you let it go and have to have your computer's operating system fully reinstalled, that will cost you even more. Therefore, it makes sense to make decisions now to improve your system. 3 steps to removing spyware. There are 3 main steps that you will have to fully understand to keep spyware and adware at bay. Without one of these components, you are at a potential risk for allowing it into your computer. Step 1. Anti-spyware programs. These programs provide you with the ability to clean up your system. They work much like a virus program, in that they will remove anything hidden on your computer that could potentially be risky for you. They also provide protection such as a firewall that will help to prevent further infestations of spyware on your computer after it has been successfully removed. Step 2. Beware of what's out there. You need to know which programs have the most potential for hurting you. There are many programs that are commonly used and have spyware or adware lurking in them. We'll show you which ones are potential risky investments. Step 3. Be secure. There are specific security measures that you must put in place to provide protection against future invasions of spyware. These methods will offer you a strong protection against making mistakes or even allowing holes in your security system to put you at risk. By explaining to you what options you have, you'll have the ability to make the right decision about the right protection for spyware and adware for you. There is no doubt that you should be careful when you err online to avoid potentially problematic spyware or adware situations. Nevertheless, it will be very difficult to protect yourself 100% of the time. Yet, with a few simple measures, you can be vigilant in defying the odds against spyware. Finally, it is important to make mention of the fact that any type of education that you receive on spyware and adware should be communicated to the whole family, or at least anyone that uses your computer. Children can often be targets of spyware and adware. Remember that all it takes is a click of the mouse to download it. Educating your children on this potential threat will help you to find true benefit in the effectiveness of the program. Most children that can use the computer on their own can understand what potential security risks are in place. Give them a checklist to protecting themselves and your computer investment. Click links below to learn more. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. Kakashungsan.net